Hi there, it's Stu from StuTech with yet again another tech tip of the day. This one's more about your health. It's about easing your eye strain with night mode on your devices. So your eyes deserve a break. So if you spend time on your screens, whether it's your phone, tablet, computer, in the evening, turn on night mode or blue light filter. It will reduce glare and limit sleep depriving blue light. So you can look for it in your display settings or schedule it to activate automatically at sunset. So ease your eye strain, take care of your eye health, and if you have problems, you can give us a call. We can walk you through it, whether it's an iPhone, a Mac, an Android, an iPad, whatever device it is. StuTech takes care of it all. So remember, one more time, what's the saying? Call us, not your kids. Again, until next time, this is Stu from StuTech with your tech tip of the day.